into the box. Yet another corner, looking for someone in red, easily taken out by Martin Mpuga for another corner. The pressure keeps piling on this KCCA side from Thomas Jacob.
They've given that young KCCA defense quite a test today in the air with all these corner kicks they're winning. Who actually started this?
Nsubuga Sekabembe, and a good job since coming on. Nsubuga, bro. Shaban Kondo suddenly seeing lots of the ball and using it well as well. At times of trying to move forward. Yeah, Ince once again getting a